In this video, I show you how to fix this video could not be uploaded to your story problem on Facebook. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store. Now search for Facebook app. Update your Facebook app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Facebook app. Click on Facebook, click on post stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, and click on manage space. Then click on delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Facebook app. Now log into your account. Now try to upload any story. Now I hope that this method fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.